In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view two pages side by side in Google Docs. This can be incredibly useful for those times when you need to compare content in your documents or when you simply want a broader view of your work. Let's get started with the process. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or whichever browser you typically use. From there, you will need to navigate to google.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to sign into your Google account if you're not already. This step is essential since accessing Google Docs without being signed in is impossible. So, click the sign in button and when prompted, type in your email address and hit next. Once you've entered your email, you'll be asked for your password. Type in your password and click Next once more. This will bring you into your Google account, and from there, you can head over to Google Docs. You can do this by either typing Google Docs into the search bar or selecting it from the grid icon on the top right of the page, which includes all Google services. Now that you're inside Google Docs, choose the document you want to view by clicking on it. Wait for it to load and find the small box in the upper right-hand corner of your document screen, which should give you some display options. However, to view two pages side by side, you'll first need to download this document as a PDF. To do this, click on the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over the Download option. This will reveal further format options, and you should select PDF document PDF. Your document will start downloading automatically, and you can locate it in your computer's Downloads folder. After you've downloaded the document, open it using your PDF viewer. You'll see the document, but to view two pages side by side, you'll need to adjust the viewer's settings. Most viewers have an options menu indicated by three dots or lines, typically found in the upper section. Click on this and look for a setting labeled two-page view or something similar and enable it. Now you should be able to see your pages displayed side by side. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled viewing two pages side by side in Google Docs, albeit through converting it to PDF format. This is a fantastic way to have a more comprehensive view of your content, making it easier to cross-reference information or simply enjoy a wider perspective of your document. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.